Hi friends, today we are going to share a quick snack recipe, veg bread pizza sandwich. This sandwich is a quick and easy sandwich recipe. It's so simple that even your kids can join you in cooking this recipe. The ingredients needed are bread, butter, pizza sauce, oregano, red chili flakes, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped capsicum, chopped paneer cubes, cheese slices, or you can also use mozzarella cheese, sweet corn kernels. Take the sandwich toaster and apply some butter on both sides. Now apply butter on both bread pieces. Spread pizza sauce on the bread slices. Place chopped onions, capsicum, tomato. Chopped paneer cubes and sweet corn kernels. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. Now place the cheese slice or grated cheese. Carve it with another slice. Do not overstuff with the veggies or cheese. Overstuffing with veggies can make your veg pizza sandwich soggy. Place it on the sandwich toaster. Toast it till golden on both sides. Cut the toasted sandwich into 2 equal halves and serve it hot with tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. It's so yummy and tasty and very simple. Definitely, children will enjoy it a lot. So what are you waiting for? Just try it today itself.